Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. Today we are going to see about how do we pronounce the French letter combination G and N. Comment prononce-t-on la combinaison de lettres GN en français? Let us see how do we pronounce the GN sound in French. And also some French words with the letter combination GN. So let's go to start. Allons-y. Before going to discuss, let us name of this vegetable. What is the name of this vegetable? Yes, it is an onion. An onion. The letter combination JN in French is usually pronounced like the NI in onion. Ni, onion, onion, onion. So JN is pronunciated as ni. When JN comes with O, it is ni, o, nyo. And when JN comes with ON, on, ni, on, nyon. And when JN comes with OL, ni, ul, nyol, nyol. And when JN comes with OR, ni, e, nye. Here OR is pronounced as A. JN, ni, OR, A, nye. Now let us see some French words with the letter combination JN. Une montagne. Une montagne. Une montagne. A mountain. A mountain. La campagne. La campagne. La campagne. The countryside. The countryside. Une ligne. Une ligne. Une ligne. A line. A line. Un champignon. Un champignon. Un champignon. A mushroom. A mushroom. Un poignet. Un poignet. Un poignet. A wrist. A wrist. Mignon. 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 Cute. Cute. Un agneau. Un agneau. Un agneau. A lamb. A lamb. La baignoire. La baignoire. La baignoire. A bathtub. A bathtub. Gagner. 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 Earn, win, gain. Gagner means to earn, win, and to gain. Une araignée. Une araignée. Une araignée. A spider. A spider. Un cygne. Un cygne. Un cygne. A sign. A sign. Un peigne. Un peigne. Un peigne. A comb. A comb. Un cygne. Un cygne. Un cygne. A swan. A swan. Une châtaigne. Une châtaigne. Une châtaigne. A chestnut. A chestnut. La consigne. La consigne. La consigne. The instruction. The instruction. Une signature. Une signature. Une signature. A signature. A signature. Un oignon. Un oignon. Un oignon. An onion. An onion. Souligner. 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 Underline. Underline. Un chignon. Un chignon. Un chignon. A bun. A bun. Une cigogne. Une cigogne. Une cigogne. A stork. A stork. Saigner. 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 To bleed. To bleed. Poignée. 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 Handle. Handle. Des vignes. Des vignes. Des vignes. Vines. Vines. Soigner. 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 To cure. To cure. Magnifique. 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 Wonderful. Wonderful. Grignoter. 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 To snack. To nibble. To snack. To nibble. Vignette. 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 Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Cagnotte. 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 Jackpot. Jackpot. That's all for today. Let us meet in the next video with another French sound. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.